In this video, we're going to analyze famous quotes from anime. Today, we're going to look at Kenshiro's quote from Fist of the North Star, Hokuto no Ken. First, let's watch the scene and then we're going to check the grammar. So Kenshiro says, お前はもう死んでいる. お前 is a second person pronoun, you, which is usually used for equals or inferiors in male speech. It's used either when you're looking down on someone or showing your intimacy for closest friends or your beloved person, depending on the situation. But there are girls who hate being called お前, so it'd be better to stay away from this word. Basically, it's used by men, but you occasionally hear it from a girl who is boyish or bossy. Wa is a particle which indicates the main topic of a sentence. It shows what Kenshiro is talking about right now, and it's followed by the explanation of the topic. Mo means, in this situation, already, which emphasizes something was completed before the present time. 死んでいる consists of te form of the verb 死ぬ meaning to die and いる originally meaning to stay still. It describes an ongoing state resulting from the earlier action. So in this case, he died at some point and his state of being dead continues as the result of the action die. For example, as the result of the action get married, 結婚する, your state of being married, 結婚している, continues unless you get divorced. So, お前はもう死んでいる means you're already dead. Here are the examples using this grammar. 図書館はもう閉まっている and 子供はもう寝ている. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.